If you have any cream cheese stored in your freezer, you will want to know how to make frozen cream cheese creamy again. Freezing cream cheese is a great way to store it if you don't plan on using it right away. It will stay fresh in your freezer, so you don't have to worry about it growing any mold. How to freeze cream cheese. During the freezing process, your cream cheese may undergo some changes in texture and consistency. Due to its water content, cream cheese may become grainy when frozen. Whenever you are using cream cheese for baking or cooking, you will want to use blocks of cream cheese. How to freeze unopened cream cheese. If you have an unopened block of cream cheese, you can just place it in your freezer in the original packaging it came in. There is no need to transfer it to a different container if it has never been opened. How to freeze opened cream cheese. If you have already opened your cream cheese, you can still freeze it, but you will want to use something else besides the original packaging. Wrap your cream cheese in a layer of plastic wrap or aluminum foil and then place it in an airtight container or Ziploc bag. How to make frozen cream cheese creamy again. Use a handheld or stand mixer to help revive its texture. Beat the cream cheese on medium speed for around 30 seconds to 1 minute to achieve a desirable creamy texture. You can also microwave the cream cheese for 10 to 20 seconds before mixing to help mix the separated solids and liquids back together. Uses for cream cheese that has been frozen. If your cream cheese was stored properly in the freezer and didn't undergo any major texture or consistency changes, you can use it for any dish. It can be used for cheesecake, frosting, baked goods, sauces, dips, and as a spread. If you did notice that it underwent consistency and texture changes, it is best to use it only for sauces, doughs, and batters, where it can be fully incorporated in. How to tell if cream cheese is no longer good. If you notice any mold or a slimy texture on your cream cheese, throw it out. In addition, if your cream cheese has an off smell, taste, or appearance, you should also throw it out as well. Tips and tricks. Freezing your cream cheese can be a great way to store it if you won't be able to use it before the expiration date. In most cases, it will freeze just fine, but sometimes there will be changes in consistency and texture. If this happens, you can microwave it for 10 to 20 seconds to mix the separated solid and liquid back together. You can then use a mixer and beat the cream cheese for 30 seconds to 1 minute on medium speed to give it a creamy texture. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.